What happens to the real estate market after the fires?
Yeah, Stuart, I wish I was here celebrating a big sale or something like that, but unfortunately we're here talking about 1,000 new renters and buyers that have now unfortunately entered into the LA real estate market for the 2 years, maybe even 3 years, because that's how long it's going to take to build these houses. We typically at the Altman Brothers, we list about $150 million worth of real estate a month. In the past 48 hours, we are listing $150 million worth of real estate. That's how much action we're seeing in the LA market.